What if your truck bed could transform in seconds? Meet the Gator EFX Trifold Cover, a next-generation upgrade for pickup owners in 2026. Built with a sleek, low-profile design, it delivers serious protection against rain, dust, and theft while keeping your truck looking sharp. Its hard-folding panels lock securely and open in seconds, giving you full bed access whenever you need it. No tools, no hassle, just smart engineering. Whether you're on the job site or the highway, this cover boosts efficiency, security, and style. Gator EFX proves that real innovation starts with simplicity and strength. Right now, today.
What if your Tacoma turned into a bedroom in seconds? Meet the inflatable Tacoma truck mattress, the ultimate comfort upgrade for your pickup in 2026. Designed perfectly for your truck bed, it transforms hard metal into a soft, supportive sleeping space in minutes. Whether you're camping under the stars, on a long road trip, or taking a quick rest between jobs, this mattress delivers hotel-level comfort anywhere you park. Built with durable, puncture-resistant material and an easy inflation system, it sets up fast and packs away just as quickly. No hassle, no tools, just pure convenience. This is how modern truck owners rest, travel, and explore in total comfort today.
Stuck off-road? These tracks can pull you out instantly. Meet the Xpo Recovery Traction Tracks, a game-changing essential for pickup truck owners in 2026. Designed to get you moving when wheels lose grip, these heavy-duty traction boards dig into sand, mud, and snow to give your tires instant escape power. Just place them under your tires and drive out with confidence. No towing required. Built from reinforced high-strength materials, they're engineered to withstand extreme pressure and harsh environments. Whether you're off-roading, exploring remote trails, or facing unexpected terrain, these tracks turn a stranded situation into a quick recovery. Compact, durable, and reliable, they're your ultimate off-road safety backup today.
Flat tire in the middle of nowhere? Fix it in minutes. Meet the all-top 12-volt air compressor, a powerful must-have upgrade for every pickup truck in 2026. Designed for fast, reliable inflation, it connects directly to your truck's 12-volt power and gets your tires back to optimal pressure in minutes. Whether you're off-roading, towing, or dealing with an emergency roadside situation, this compressor delivers high airflow and consistent performance when you need it most. Built tough with heavy-duty materials and thermal protection, it's made for real-world demands. Compact enough to store easily in your truck bed, yet powerful enough to save your trip, this tool turns every driver into their own roadside rescue crew today.
What if climbing into your pickup truck became easier, safer, and smarter in just 1 second? Meet the foldable tailgate step, one of the smartest pickup truck inventions designed for everyday convenience. With a quick pull, this heavy-duty step folds down instantly, giving you easy access to the truck bed without awkward climbing or dangerous jumps. Built with rugged materials for maximum durability, it supports heavy loads while staying compact when not in use. Whether you're loading tools, camping gear, or cargo, this invention saves time and reduces strain. Simple, practical, and incredibly useful, this is the kind of truck upgrade every pickup owner wishes they had sooner.
Stuck in mud? This one strap can save your entire trip. Meet the Sunferno Recovery Tow Strap, a must-have rescue tool for every pickup truck in 2026. Built for serious recovery situations, this heavy-duty strap is designed to pull vehicles out of mud, sand, snow, and tough off-road terrain with confidence. Made from high-strength, stretch-resistant fiber, it absorbs shock loads while protecting both vehicles during recovery. Whether you're off-roading, working on remote sites, or handling emergencies, this strap delivers reliable pulling power when it matters most. Compact, durable, and easy to store in your truck bed. It's not just gear, it's peace of mind on every journey today.
What if your truck could look tougher, safer, and unstoppable in just one upgrade? Meet the YZona Super Duty Bumpers, the ultimate upgrade for serious pickup truck owners.
Built with heavy-duty steel, these bumpers are designed to handle extreme impacts while giving your truck a bold, aggressive look. Whether you're off-roading, towing, or working on tough job sites, YZona delivers unmatched protection and durability. The precision engineering ensures a perfect fit, while the reinforced structure adds confidence on every drive. It's not just a bumper, it's a statement of power, safety, and reliability. If you want your truck to stand out in 2026, this is the upgrade that changes everything.